Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I have been busy taking advantage of this absolutely gorgeous weather and getting some weeds taken care of. It's been on my list for at least 2 months, and well, today really did turn out to be the perfect day to get out here and spend some time on my hands and knees pulling up all kinds of problem plants. So I thought I would make a quick video to show you the good and the bad so that will help guide you while you go through and weed out some of the cool season plants that you may or may not recognize. Well, as you can see, I have got a lot of weeds. So don't feel bad if your garden looks like this. This is normal, right? And I wanted to show you, I guess let's focus on the bad first, and then we'll look at the good. So the bad, henbit, this stuff. And it's blooming, which means it's going to go to seed very soon. Get this out immediately. We also have another lamium here, which is related but different. That needs to come out as well. Vetch. I have an endless supply of vetch. Anyone's in need? Also, one of my bigger problems, I think, is this native Carolina geranium right here. It is extremely capable of covering all of the space, smothering out all of the good things. You can see here that the Carolina geranium just basically grows everywhere, but especially right along the edges, fills in on pathways. It's like I said, these undesirable plants are very capable, but they really can smother out anything good. I mean, you can see here is a larkspur, which I consider to be good, but the Carolina geranium is taking up the majority of this bed edge. You can see here along the walkway, the geranium it's quite large. Another plant that I have a lot of is this weedy Veronica right here. Then of course mixed in, you've got poppies and larkspur. Actually, right over here, we have a whole bunch of carrots, which are all self-sown. Even have garlic that must have seeded into the walkway. I guess when in doubt, grow it in the walkway and it'll probably germinate. Just as an experiment, I'm gonna go ahead and direct seed this pack of delphiniums. This is the Pacific Giants mix. It's super late. I have no idea if these will work or not, but I've got this open space that I weeded with nothing growing in it. So I really have nothing to lose. Fingers crossed, something will grow. And now I'm going to take on the rest of this bed using my favorite tool, the Handmatic. Pointy end is really helpful for this kind of task. Well, one very full wheelbarrow later, I have got this bed pretty much weeded. It was definitely overdue. I should have done it 2 months ago, but better late than never, and especially weeding before the plants go to seed. That is the main lesson learned here. Well, I hope you'll be inspired by this to get outside and do some of your necessary weeding, and I'm wishing you all the very best. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.